Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to unblock an email ID on your Gmail. Now without any further ado, let's start the video. First of all, on your desktop, open your Gmail and then make sure they are logged into your account. After that, to unblock your blocked mail ID, what you have to do is at the upper right corner of your screen you will see settings icon just in front of your profile. Click on settings and then again a dialog box will pop up. There you have to click on see all settings. After that you will see this interface. Among all the menus that you will see, you have to click on filters and blocked addresses. Click on there and in here you will see all your blocked email address. Now choose the email address that you want to unblock and simply click on unblock and again click on unblock and you have successfully unblocked that contact. So this is how you can simply unblock an email address in Gmail. I hope this tutorial helped you, and make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I will see you on next video.